Welcome back. Let's do question 1.6. The diagram shows the graphs of g of x and f of x. R and S are the x-intercepts of g, and t is the y-intercept of g. Graph of f passes through R and t. The graph of h is obtained when g is reflected along the line y is equal to 0. Right, which line is this? The line y is equal to 0 is the x-axis. So it means g is reflected along the x-axis or above the x-axis. Write down the equation of h in the form h of x is equal to px squared plus q. Right, like I've said, remember that reflection about the x-axis, if you are reflecting g of x, it means g of x becomes negative g of x. And if you are reflecting about the y-axis, if you are reflecting about the y-axis, g of x becomes g of negative x. So now we're told that h is obtained when g is reflected along the line y is equal to 0. It means along the x-axis. So it means h of x is equal to negative g of x, which is equal to negative g of x is what? We got that g of x is equal to negative 2x squared plus q plus 8 plus 8. So it's going to be negative g of x, negative g of x. And then we put our g of x, which is this, negative 2x squared plus 8. And then we can remove the bracket. H of x is equal to 2x squared minus 8.